What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So you got your Galaxy S10. Everybody's starting to get in the mail. If you haven't gotten it, it's coming very soon. One of the unique features that Samsung had in their devices in the past was iris scanning technology. That technology was when you look at the device, it unlocks, just like Apple on your iPhone. You swipe up, you look at it, and the phone will unlock. Well, unfortunately, in the Galaxy S10, Samsung took that technology away. It settled for what's called Face ID, and that technology is in a lot of different phones. But in the Galaxy S10, it can be tricked with using a picture or even another phone. So I'm telling you in this video that do not use Face ID on your Galaxy S10. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got the Galaxy S10e on deck, and what I discovered is that with Face ID you can trick it. Now let me show you guys real quick. I'm behind the camera, and when I look at it, it's good to go. Okay, here we go. Boom, good to go. Now if I turn it sideways and I flip it, it's asking for a password, and if I look at it, it will open the device. Let's do that again. Sideways, it's asking for a password. All right, I have a picture of me that I did on the Google Pixel XL. Let me see if I can trick it for you guys here with no editing. I just want to show you guys real quick here. Boom, right? So it's looking, and there it is. It's open. There it is, right? All right, and I didn't look at it. Here we go. Boom. Right? Want y'all guys to see this, and I'm not looking at it. All right, there it is. All right, let's do that again. And boom. So there it is. Wow, that is crazy. All right, so let's try this again. Unedited. There it is. And I'm gonna look at it this way. All right. And as you see, I can flip it up. It's asking for a password. All right. And as I move it, see if it could, there it is, right? It's okay, so it's asking for the password. I want to do this unedited, so y'all guys can see this. Unedited. See, there it is. All right. Unedited. Okay, let me put it on the tripod. All right, so I got the Galaxy S10 on the tripod here, so I can kind of free my hands up a little bit. And again, I got my mugshot here, and I want to show you guys unedited right here, and boom, turn it on, show it right there, and it's unlocked. It's unlocked. All right, so there it is. It's unlocked. All right, so let's try that again. And here, and I don't want to edit it. I want this to be real deal here. Boom. All right, so as you can see, the Galaxy S10 is not looking at my face. It's looking at my mugshot here, and it opened up. All right, so I wanted to show you guys the unedited version. So no editing, and I wanted to show you this, but let's do something different. Let me show you something different here. Okay, so we already established that the Galaxy S10 can be tricked. All right, can be tricked by using a photo. Now, for reference, let's go on and use the OnePlus 6T and see if that can be tricked. All right, so I'm going to turn off the OnePlus 6T, and I'm looking dead at it. Boom, it opens right there. So the OnePlus 6T will open because it's using Face ID. But let's see if I can do the same thing with the OnePlus 6T. Okay, unedited. So as you can see, the OnePlus 6T does have Face ID also, but it's a lot more secure. So if I turn it towards me and I do that, then it pops up, boom, unedited. But when I put it towards the picture, nothing. I want y'all guys to see that, nothing. But I turn it towards me, all right, and it says no face detected. But if I do this, it comes right on. Again, let's try it again. All right, and I'm putting it up close back towards the camera. Boom. Make sure unedited here. All right, so that's the OnePlus 6T. Again, let's go on and try the Galaxy S10 again. All right, and the Galaxy S10, boom, it's open. There it is. All right, and again, I wanted to get it, make sure you guys seeing this unedited, and it open up again. There it is. All right, so let's do that again. As you can see, way turned towards me. All right, there it is, unedited. Now if I point it towards me, all right, now I'm looking at it and it will open up. Okay, and again, let's do this again. Picture towards the device, way over there. All right, swipe it up and now it's open. So there it is. All right, so in this video I just demonstrated that Face ID can be tricked with using a picture on any phone. A picture, anything can be tricked with the Galaxy S10. Now I also use the OnePlus 6T. It does have Face ID also, but unfortunately I couldn't trick it using the photo from my camera here. So I just wanted to make this quick video, not quick, but I wanted to have it unedited so y'all guys can see the unedited version of this video, so it won't be no excuses or anybody trying to make excuses on why this device unlock with a picture. Look at that. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S10 and Face ID being tricked by a photo. And it's not even a high quality photo. I just took a random photo and boom, it tricked the device. See you guys on the next video. Peace.